Hey beauty baddies, I'm back with another tutorial Tuesday, and today we're doing a Valentine's Day smoky eye. Something simple and cute. Let's go. So after I do my eyebrows, I'm just going to wipe off my eyelids from any dirt or concealer that's on there. Then I'm going to take my eyeshadow primer and I'm going to apply that around my eyelid all over there. Then I'm taking my Profusion palette and I'm going to take the lightest pink and put that in my corner of my eyelid and just pack it on there as much as possible, make it very bright and vibrant. Then I'm going to go back in with the darker pink and I'm going to put that on the end of my eyelid and really blend that in. I'm being super messy, and this is what it looks like after I did my foundation because my phone died. And then I went back in, I added some glitter to the corner area of my eyelid just to add some pop. You don't have to do this, keep it simple if you want to. I love glitter, so I had to add a little bit of sparkle on that lid. Next, I'm just going to finish powdering up my face, and there you have a very simple, easy, quick, and fast Valentine's Day smoky eye. If you're interested, you should subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit that notification bell. You should also check out my beauty blog, cartersbeautydeals.com, and all product details are in the description. See you in my next one. Peace.